Alright, so here we have this vintage looking package unit. Power to it's shut off, so it's probably inoperable. It's got a recip. Metal tang recip. There's the fan. Oh, it's a heat pump. There's the reversing valve right there. See if I can get anything off that tag. Possibly. I don't think so. It's old, whatever it is. Here's the data. Looks like that's the model. It's a 4-ton. HP 48 TDA. Yeah, really hard to tell. That's probably the serial. Not sure of the year though. Probably 70s, and that's where the logo is. I think that says Amana. Really hard to see. I think it might say Amana though. It's got a big dent in the side here. Oh, it's... Nope, never mind. It's not buzzing. Alright. Guess that's about all there is to see of this thing. Massive condenser fins. And that's actually not the only vintage unit on this property. There's actually one more and a couple window units over here. Looks to be about the same exact thing. You got that vintage, that window unit and the unit up there. It looks like there's the logo. Oh, it is. Oh, it's a Luxaire. Pretty sure that's what that says, Luxaire. And those data plates look like they're gone. That's really cool. Luxaire. So I guess that's what they are. Looks to be the same thing. Heat pump as well. Newer or two older window units. Alright, figured I'd snap a quick video of these real quick. So anyways, yep, thank you for watching.